Hi, welcome to part 3 of the Radiant UI SDK tutorial series. I'm just going to pick up right where I left off from the prior video. We were talking about the various options on a WebView actor. If you want to follow along, I recommend watching the prior two videos. So I'll just jump right in here. So that pretty much wrapped it up for the options that we were talking about, the various interactive or interaction settings. So we'll go ahead and add some interaction with this guy so we can walk up to him and start using it. And so to do that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to edit his blueprint again. I'm going to go to his components, and I'm going to add a way for us to tell if we are actually being touched in a meaningful way that makes us want to interact. So I'm going to go ahead and add a box here, and I'm going to size it up, something that makes sense for me. And it looks pretty okay. And I'll just move this up this way. And I'm going to add some events from this box. So I'm going to add a component begin, and I'm going to add a component end overlap. And I'm going to call some custom blueprint functions here. This is a WebView actor functions to tell it that we want to begin interacting with whatever actor has walked into this volume. And we also want to tell it when we want to end interacting with that actor. And there you go. And that looks pretty reasonable. And we'll just go up and we'll see that we have no cursor. And we have no cursor, that's right, because we need to modify our character. So any actors you want to be able to interact with a web view, they need an interaction component, as you'll see here. Do not add these ones. These are actually 4 objects that you want to blueprint up yourself to make your own actors that support input and WebView rendering. So right now, we just want to make sure we add interaction and not input and not render. And we want to make sure that it's enabled. So we'll let our character actually interact with other web views. Alright, there we go. And we have a mouse cursor. And this, of course, is this fully works with mouse and keyboard here. So I'll just oh well, I am feeling lucky. How about I click that? Does that even do anything? Oh, it does. Okay. I can back up here and I can just start typing away. Now the way this works is the web actor will actually eat the player's movement input if the player is focused on an editable field here. So if I'm hitting the WASD keys, I'm not going to get anything, but as soon as I click off to the side or I stop interacting by moving my cursor off the web view, I will get my movement keys back. So it's pretty seamless. Yeah, there you go. So there's my search. Alright, so we have just added interaction to WebView. In the next video, I think we'll talk more about adding two-dimensional static elements and HUDs. So thanks for watching.